Whoa. Wait. Sorry, guys. It's a bit awkward. Don't know if you can see me. I don't even like this idea already. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're searching as I just got back from Cornwall and at my mum's. Yeah, it's night time right now, so I'm like really tired. Can you see me? Hope you can see me. We are going to be I'm not doing that. So we are going to be why is this cup blue? Why is it not yellow? We're going to be eating the inside bits of bonbombs. So look at it, it's just eating the toffee inside the bonbons. Now it's going to be even more crazy. I don't know why to leave toffee this there. It was just squashed. But the bonbons anyway, so we get these. Oh, these have been in my room for actually weeks. Look at that. So, without further ado, my ear is sick. Without further ado, I eat bonbons. My hair's a mess. Just recently. Right there. Also, this is like the chubby bunny challenge. You have to chew it like. I'm not taking good cry. I'm sorry. I'm eating 38 shredding cans. There was no sound. I have no idea why. What was that? Should be recording. If it's not, I'm going to be soon. No. Oh. Oh. Really hard. I'm recording. You guys do not eat 38 shredded wheat at home. It made me sick the next day. I didn't have any milk or water or anything. Oh, guys, look at it. I might have to call quits soon. Wait. I need to get some music first. If you do not know, music gets you into stuff like so easy. Like if you're listening to I need to finish that. I've already got a load of cracks on my camera. I need to wash my hands. Wait, I'll leave you there, guys. Look on my hand. On my hands. Pure bonbombs. My hair's a mess. I don't know if you can but my hair's a mess. It's an absolute mess. Right. Let's get some. Oh, that's not a nice experience. Why does it take me so long to do this challenge video, guys? No. Oh my god. Wait, is this? What's up? I need to know where the camera's facing. So I was facing. Here. Oh my doors. Yeah, I'm facing. This is important, guys. What's my favourite music? Which I probably always use. Yes, this one. Guys. Jeez, what is that? What was that, guys? That's just a random advert. That proves how. Right, guys, we will do this. What's the cut? Right. Okay. No. Let's do this. Oh, guys. I'm literally crying. Ah, guys. Ah, guys. Ah, Mom. Oh, I got down to toffee. Oh, guys. Oh no. That's huge. Ah. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, got used to it. No. I cannot. I'm still gonna puke. Get this in. So, I know the battery was. No. No. guys. Hello, guys. Uh, um, uh, uh, guys. Done it. Oh, it's harder than I thought. Much. That's actually quite hard. I'm sorry, there was not much speech in that video because I do not know how close I feel like it is gonna come up. Like, I'm sorry, I've not uploaded not much videos in a long time because in Cornwall there's been really bad connection. So I'm sorry if I've not uploaded for a long time. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, let's reach 20 likes. And if you do, I will. If we reach 5 likes, and there's that much, it's not that much. I will do the cinnamon challenge. If we reach 5 likes, if you reach 2, I'll crack like 5 eggs on my head. So, and if you reach 6, I will do both in one video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. What was I even facing? Wasn't. I'm dead. Anyway, it's not in the right way now. So bye. Oh, my hair's messed up. I'm gonna be. I've ordered an electric slotted jumper. So yeah, and if we can reach 100,000 subscribers, I will make more copies of my t-shirt and jumper so you guys can buy them. Reach 100,000 subscribers. It's a big goal. I don't think I'll make it. No, I probably won't make it. But if I do, it will mean an absolute world to me. Well, not the world, but so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!